Till 28, 2026, it was a deadline of submission of bids for this certain project, and one contractor complied and submitted the necessary documents. So, na-receive the Bank Secretariat in 7:41 a.m. the April 28, 2026. Tapos makita yung web nakasil so na at the proper nga markings na. Gusto ba di sineminar tayo dyan pag yung tas ganyan. Please bear with us ma'am and sir kasi agalanan lang. And I hope nga tika tayo dito ikot tapno may improvement ng yung di mawitnessan nyo. Kasi kaya nyo mag-file nga kung improve the sistema lalo di procurement. Kasi hindi kaya di